Okay, this is what your screen is going to look like when you first log in. You're going to have to put in your company name. In this case, it's RAJ, so we're just going to type RAJ. And then if you have a user ID, you'd have to type that in. I'm going to use supervisor since that's what I am, SUP. And if you have a password, you would fill that in. At this time, no passwords are being used. Once you've logged in, you simply click login and your menu should automatically pop up. This is a modular system. Modular system means that you have to choose what you want to be, where you want to be within the program, and that's called a module. If you want to be in the receivables module, you would choose receivables or sales orders. As with any typical Windows program, we have the standard drop-down menus. The one thing I ask you not to ever do is never change your font. And the reason is it really messes up the system. So why it's even there, I don't know, but don't ever change your fonts. We also have an icon bar here. This icon bar will stay the same no matter what module you're in. There are also little shortcuts. If you mouse over, and that means just kind of scroll your mouse over one of the pictures, a keyboard shortcut will appear. And that's what you see down here. At the top you see all of these icons. Then along the side over here you have what's called a personal shortcut bar. A personal shortcut bar allows you to create your own shortcuts of things that you do repetitively. Down here in the lower section of your screen you see where it identifies that you are the user, what user is logged in, what company you're logged into, and what server you're connected to or where your data is being stored. Below that you see a blank line. This blank line is really an information bar, and it changes depending on where you are within the program. For instance, if you're in the purchase order module doing a receipt of invoice, if you're in the quantity invoice field, down here at the bottom it'll tell you how many pieces you've received and how many you've been invoiced for so far. Over here in the corner it tells you whether or not you have your cap locks, scroll locks, or num locks on. So if you watch, I'll just click it, you'll see cap locks comes on. This is your sizer. You can grab the corner of the screen and size it any way you want. I personally like to use my full screen when I'm working within the program. Are there any questions on the navigation of the system?
Not yet.
No.
Okay, I'm going to stop this recording and save it as the